boys and girls, friends, enemies, whoever. Look at this bloody weather. Half of our great country is in sunshine and 20-degree heat. The east side, here, cold Arctic wind off the North Sea and cloud and 15 degrees. Life is such fun. Hee hee. Oh bless. Not a lot to report this week. I'm just out lowering my fuel level. I want to do a bit of tinkering with the wiring, put a relay in and some decent spotlights, best with the tank off. And the tank is bloody heavy when it's fully loaded, so I just want to get it down to about 2 bars, and that's liftable. And that's it. I have no agenda. I think it will depend on how cold I get as to how long I stay out. We haven't got the heated grips on. First week of June, and I'm riding around with heated grips on. Never mind, at least it's not raining like in Australia. Poor old Nev got wet. Nice to see somebody else getting wet for a change. Aren't I joyous? The other good bit was Steve's Hornet. A couple of videos out from this week. Not on his bike, but I don't suspect it'll be too long before the lad gets back on his bike. And after the worries and the scares of his health issues, it's nice to see that much improvement. Keep it up, Steve. You'll be annoying all and sundry on your bike before much longer. Oh dear, 40 mile an hour crew. This is a 60 mile an hour road. Here we are, trundling along at a fantastic 40 miles an hour. Now you see why I'm glad to be back on a bike. A lot of these overtakes pretty impossible in a car. Width of road, shortness of gaps. But on this baby, it makes all the difference to your travelling. Let's say not too far. It's literally just around the block. I was looking at the news this morning and I see the Russians have blown another dam up, flooding vast areas and towns in Ukraine, and the Russians are blaming the Ukrainians, except they forget the videos of all their soldiers mining the dam. It was about 6 months ago, maybe last year. And why would the Ukrainians flood their own territory and drown their own people? The Russian mentality really is on a minus IQ scale, isn't it? It beggars belief how they can believe all the rubbish that come out of that top man's arse. Sorry, it annoys me. On a brighter note, swifts and swallows are still dancing about. They were having a good old time in those trees there. Which surprises me. I thought they'd have gone further up country, but I think they're recognising that the weather is not prime. But when you watch the news and see the west of the country is in 22-degree sunshine, and I'm looking at this. And what's he doing there? Silly place to park. It's probably those bloody twitchers, same thing. Right time of the week for solar PV south. Putting up the old solar panels all over the place, are we? And I wonder who will benefit from that. Certainly not us, the general public. All these wind farms have not benefited one member of the British public one iota. But there are a lot of wealthy people, aren't there, as a result of. The world's gone crazy. The rich are getting richer, poor are getting poorer, and the rich don't realise just what catastrophe we're heading to, because they've got more to lose than us. I've obviously put my grumpy pants on today, haven't I? I'm going to call it quits at that. Enjoy the rest of my little ride in serenity. You guys have a good week. By the time this video's out, the weatherman says we should have some sunshine. Fingers crossed. I do hope wherever you are having some sunshine.